I've always liked building stuff. I was that kid that was a tomboy out in the garage with my dad. I always like to tease my mom and say the reason I became a structural engineer is because she never got me that construct set that I really wanted as a kid. Because I was that kid that was always building stuff and helping my dad. I'm a fact person. I'm more of the scientist, so I want to see the whole picture before I decide to jump on the bandwagon. When I look at energy, I look that it's going to be a bunch of different sources. There isn't going to be one emerging technology, in my opinion, that's going to come through and wipe everything out. We need all of it. You know, a lot of these mandates that come through, they have no kind of scientific backing behind it. They just say, we need this now. But that would be like, you know, somebody saying, I want you to go run a marathon and you're 200 pounds overweight and I give you a month to do it. You know, every plant that I've been to, they want to have the most efficient system they could have. And a lot of times they're implementing things even before, you know, an EPA mandate comes through because they know that, you know, this is something we can tweak, we can fix to make it more efficient, which in the end is going to, you know, consume less energy and produce more energy. And also it'll be cleaner, you know, for the environment as far as emissions and everything else. The way it was explained to me, which rarely ever is explained this way to the public, is if you think of it as 100%, 3% of that 100% is basically what humans contribute to carbon. We have no control over 97% of the carbon problem, especially with coal being under the magnifying glass now. It puts it in perspective. You don't hear so much about North Dakota at a standstill like other states where things aren't getting done. And when it comes to energy, that's one thing they definitely agree on. What makes sense for North Dakota? What do we have here that we can utilize to create efficient energy? You know, if somebody wants to pay higher rates, they can do that. I just hope it's not in North Dakota, because I don't.